I'm gonna get my most strongest and very, very accurate. Tornado. These are called Tornado Survivor. I very recommend to you. I will just remove this, guys. They're just gonna die anyways. And now when that's done with that, it goes in. Now we do this. Now in basic. And now 500. We're not gonna do sudden. So 130. 300. And 8. 190. This is the part where it struggles, see? Just heck it, I'm just gonna skip to 1000 CH. It could survive. It is strong. Also, as you can see, it flaps, but some winds are getting up here. As we're struggling. Anyway, I wonder what's the force of when it's on some force group. I wonder how strong it can handle. So here, 30. No. Here, 20. Okay, 40. Ah, what? 80. Okay, 80. Okay, bye guys. Bye. This is Tornado Survivor, by the way. So bye.